Okay, welcome back to another video. Got the Melia Hotel. That looks a big hotel. 2 blocks there. Yeah, just having a walk up today, see what we can see. I'll be able to look at how far the Flamingo is off reopening, what they're doing that front bit. I don't know if they're actually open at the moment, it doesn't look very open. Nearly there. If you ever stop there, let me know what it's like, because I don't think we've had many reports on this one. I would assume it's a good hotel. We've got the old Skelter there on the side, just in case. There's a sign, Melia Benidorm. Reception down there, they've still got their COVID stickers up. They can't be open. Next we've got the Flamingo Oasis, just there. Got major work done on the front here. I don't know exactly what they're doing on there, ripping stuff out. It's going to be open, I don't know, next month or I think it's April. So yeah, really don't know what they're doing. It's a total mess at the moment. I know they're trying to create more parking or what's going on. They're doing a bit of a refurb as well by the looks of it. You know, you can see front's pretty wrecked at the moment. Change, guys. This is a change for the better though. That's what we want, I know. Nice restaurant. We used to go and get a wee test. You should have to have them, guys. Rock and roll bar. Rock and roll house. Come on, Mike. Get it together. Always call that a bar. Always. Great place for a night out. What better afterwards? Go into Allied and have a curry. I think they're open later now, so yeah. Depends what time you get out of there, mind. And different bars there. Paddock, Friends Bar. Sinatra's. It is Sinatra's Premium. Do we need to call it Sinatra's Premium now, or do we just need to call it Sinatra's? And the other one's gone. Yorkshire Pride free there, the bar in the middle, and up on the end you've got the tropical bar. I think they're back in having action. I'm not absolutely sure. There's a car park right where I want to look.
Yeah, I've got that. So.
Yeah, you can see Marcus. Yeah, thanks for that. So yeah, they're back to normal, got the axe on. Good night out. Romantic Club. I think that one's adults only, isn't it, Marcus?
I honestly...
I'm pretty sure it's adults only it's from.
Adults only. Adults only.
Yeah. Nice painting at the front. Come on to that there. There we go. So we're going to leave you with that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's the main thing, guys. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe. And if you do like the videos, it's, yeah, doesn't cost you anything to like them. Get to out to more people. More people watch them, more videos we can do. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to leave you with a picture of the fountain there. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.